Get ready to revolutionize your cooking experience with a hand-picked collection of clever kitchen tools. In this video, we'll show you 15 must-have kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Craving iced coffee in an instant? Meet the HyperChiller iced coffee and beverage cooler. This frozen container chills your drinks in seconds. Just add hot coffee, swirl, and voila, icy cold coffee without dilution. No time for iced coffee prep on busy mornings? HyperChiller cools your drink in less than a minute, perfect for on-the-go refreshment. It's compatible with all coffee makers. Use it with single-serve, K-cup, or drip-style brewers. Simply brew directly into the HyperChiller or pour from your carafe. But wait, there's more. Chill tea, juice, wine, or other beverages without watering them down. Upgrade your hand-washing routine with the smart Tanqueray automatic soap dispenser. This touchless device brings convenience and hygiene to any sink. With a generous 250 milliliters capacity, it holds plenty of soap for frequent use. 3 adjustable dispensing levels cater to both adults and children. Precise infrared sensors ensure fast, reliable soap delivery. Just place your hand underneath and the perfect amount is dispensed. The IPX4 waterproof design protects internal components from moisture damage, extending the dispenser's lifespan. Note that full submersion should be avoided. Keep your drains flowing freely with the LEKEYE drain hair catcher. This clever device prevents clogs before they start. Its tall, dome-shaped design fits both flat and pop-up drains, making it a versatile solution for showers, sinks, and bathtubs. Constructed from rust-proof stainless steel, this catcher stands up to constant moisture. A high-quality silicone rim creates a secure flush seal. Say goodbye to hair clogs and lost jewelry. The LEKEYE effectively catches hair, small objects, and debris before they can block your pipes. Installation is a breeze. Simply place it over your drain. No tools or assembly required. The weighted design keeps it firmly in place. Maximize kitchen efficiency with the versatile Surpahs roll-up dish drying rack. Measuring 20.5 by 15.5 inches, it fits over sinks up to 19.5 inches wide. When not in use, it rolls up for compact storage. Constructed from FDA food-safe silicone wrapped around sturdy steel rods, this rack combines durability with dish protection. The non-slip silicone surface prevents scratches and breakage while securely holding items in place. Heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it doubles as a trivet for hot cookware. Use it as a cooling rack for baked goods too. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wipe clean or toss in the dishwasher. The rust-resistant design ensures long-lasting performance. Declutter your sink area with the Smart Kitchen Sink Caddy. This versatile organizer keeps cleaning essentials within easy reach. The flexible construction withstands daily use. Clever drainage holes in the base prevent water accumulation, keeping your sponges and brushes dry between uses. The adjustable neck strap ensures a perfect fit on any faucet size. It's compatible with all standard kitchen sinks. From sponges to scrubbers to drain stoppers, this caddy neatly corrals all your sink accessories in one convenient spot. Its versatile design isn't limited to kitchens. Elevate your dining experience while reducing environmental impact with Stackman paper plates. Crafted from repurposed bagasse and bamboo, these plates give agricultural waste new life. No trees are harmed in their production. Don't let their eco-friendly nature fool you. These plates are tough. 4 times stronger than standard disposables, they resist oil, cuts, and bending. From saucy pastas to greasy barbecue, these plates handle it all without leaks or sogginess. Use them confidently for hot or cold foods. Microwave-safe design adds convenience to their eco-credentials. Heat up leftovers without worry. Maximize kitchen space with the clever SNTD over-the-sink dish drying rack. This vertical organizer is perfect for compact kitchens. The adjustable design expands from 26.8 to 34.6 inches in length, fitting a wide range of sink sizes. At 20.5 inches tall, it adds valuable vertical storage. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this rack supports up to 80 pounds of dishes and utensils. It's built for long-lasting performance. Water drains directly into the sink, keeping counters dry and preventing messes. It's a hygienic solution for dish drying. Customize the layout to suit your needs. All components are removable and adjustable for maximum flexibility. Maximize your kitchen space with the versatile DOLALIKE microwave oven rack. This sturdy organizer brings order to cluttered countertops. Constructed from durable carbon steel, each tier supports up to 55 pounds. With a total capacity of 110 pounds, it easily holds microwaves and more. The three-tier design provides ample storage for kitchen essentials like plates, pots, pans, and canned goods. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos. This rack neatly organizes your tools and appliances, creating more space for food prep. Elevate your on-the-go sipping experience with C&Berg replacement lids. These versatile toppers fit Yeti 20-aughts tumblers and similar brands. Engineered for a perfect fit, the 3.3-inch diameter creates a spill-proof seal. No more messes during your commute or outdoor adventures. Dual sealing technology maintains your beverage temperature, keeping drinks icy cold or piping hot for hours. Cleanup is a breeze. These lids are dishwasher safe. The slider opens smoothly for thorough cleaning and closes securely to prevent leaks. Choose your sipping style with the contoured lip design. Enjoy direct sipping or use a straw. The choice is yours. Simplify snack time with the original EasyLunchboxes Bento snack boxes. These versatile containers make healthy eating on the go a breeze. Each box features 4 perfectly portioned compartments, ideal for packing a variety of snacks for appetites of all sizes. Kid-friendly lids stay securely closed during transport but open easily, even for little hands. Note that they're not designed to be leak-proof. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, they offer maximum versatility for meal prep and easy cleanup. The stackable design saves space in lunch bags and refrigerators. It's the smart way to organize multiple snacks or meals. Crafted from premium, non-latex material, these gloves offer durability and elasticity without any unpleasant odors. The non-slip design features granules on the palm and fingers, ensuring a secure grip even on slippery surfaces. This enhances your efficiency in dishwashing and cleaning tasks. Comfort is key. With a 12.6-inch length, these gloves keep your arms dry while allowing flexible movement. They're engineered for strength without sacrificing comfort. Versatility is their strong suit. Satisfy every palate with the Chicago Metallic Professional Lasagna Trio Pan. This clever design lets you prepare 3 recipes at once. Perfect for families with diverse tastes, each section can hold a different lasagna variety. No more cooking multiple pans. But don't limit yourself to just lasagna. This versatile pan excels at baking loaf breads, cakes, and other treats too. Constructed for superior heat conduction, it ensures even baking up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No more undercooked middles or burnt edges. The nonstick coating makes both serving and cleanup a breeze. Dishes slide out effortlessly, leaving minimal residue behind. Upgrade your ice game with DOQAUS ice cube trays. Say goodbye to flimsy, disposable trays. These robust ice molds withstand long-term freezer storage without cracking or breaking. Enjoy effortless ice removal with the soft silicone design. Simply push from the bottom, no more awkward twisting or struggling with stubborn cubes. The clever lid design prevents spills and odor absorption. 2 lid lifters make handling a breeze, even with wet hands. Each tray produces 14 generously sized cubes. With 4 trays, you'll have 56 perfect ice cubes ready for any occasion. Say goodbye to separated nut butters with the Chef and Nut Butter Stirrer. This clever gadget mixes from the bottom up for perfect consistency. Designed to fit both 16-aughts and 26-aughts jars, it's compatible with most store-bought natural nut butters. No need for multiple tools. The unique sealing lid keeps oil contained during stirring, eliminating messy countertops and wasted product. As you remove the stir wand, a clever scraping mechanism ensures every bit of nut butter returns to the jar. No more wastage. Oil separation in natural nut butters is inevitable, but this stirrer makes it a breeze to handle. Enjoy smooth, well-mixed spreads every time. Revolutionize your food prep with the NexTrend Garlic Twister. This handy gadget minces garlic, ginger, herbs, and even nuts with ease. Say goodbye to messy garlic presses and tedious chopping. Simply twist back and forth to achieve perfectly minced ingredients. Start by using the twister to smash garlic cloves, loosening the skin for easy peeling. This also softens the garlic for effortless mincing. For best results, place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit and progressively twist while working your way down. Watch as minced bits mixed with flavorful juices emerge. Removing ingredients is a breeze. Lightly twist side to side to pack the minced garlic into triangles for easy extraction.